Salmon Nutella. Where is your bitch ass at? 100 days. Everyone said it couldn't be done. In a world where bitches don't even eat chicken, if you can see a little bit of the pink when you cook it, because of the salmon Nutella. In a world where people can't even touch a chicken, raw chicken, and then always wash your hands. Oh yeah. How could I survive 100 days in a row eating raw chicken every single day? Well, we don't know what the fuck we talking about when it comes to health. That's why. Obviously, we got something wrong with the bacteria stuff. All my life, people always say, never eat raw chicken. You can have a raw fishy fish. You can have beef tartare. But never, and I mean never, have raw chicken. You're gonna get very sick. Salmon Nutella gonna destroy your tummy. It's not gonna be a good time for the tummy. To stay good. Damn son. But I ate raw chicken 100 days in a row. Posted the video about it every single day. And I got food poisoning 0 times. What happened? I just got better eating raw chicken. Let's be real. We know what the fuck we talking about bacteria. If the animal you are eating is healthy, there's no toxic stuff in here, your tummy is gonna be yum yum, just fine. If the raw chicken toxic, the raw chicken ate something bad, something it's not supposed to eat. It starts to accumulate shitty shit in here, or in the bones or whatever. Then you eat the raw chicken. Ouchie ouch. Your tummy might hurt a bit. But my raw chickens raised with love in a family farms. At least I haven't gotten sick or any kind of tummy discomfort in any of the 100 days from raw chicken. Raw chicken, I'm the world leading expert now on raw chicken, so listen up. Listen up, boys and girls. Raw chicken, incredibly tasty. It is pretty good actually. The texture of raw chicken, no dryness here. It's the classic chicken flavor. Oh yes it is. The texture, scallop-like, very soft, juicy. Especially the titty and the toe meat. So the taste is actually pretty good. I would say better than cooked chicken, except for the wings. The wings are really hard to eat raw. No discomfort when it comes to digestion. Raw chicken, incredibly easy to digest. Fuck yeah. I have not had bloating one time in 100 days in a row from the raw chicken. And overall in these 100 days I probably was bloated maybe 3 times from some other shit I ate. Not once I have had diarrhea from the raw chicken. In the 100 days I had diarrhea twice, and it was from cooked pork. The pork I ate was not very good for my tummy. Porks eat all kind of shit, and that shit goes into your body when you eat them, even if you cook them. At least that's what happened to me. When you get good pork, there's probably gonna be no problema. So there was that. No tummy problems, raw chicken incredibly easy to digest, no bloating ever. Never feel like there's anything in my stomach just sitting there like a rock when I eat raw chicken. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. What else? Raw chicken give you superpowers. Raw chicken give you wings in life. I don't know about that. Raw chicken, very neutral food. A lot of protein, especially when you don't eat the wings or the skin. So just a lot of protein, don't give you much energy. Very stable food. You always feel the same, kinda like nothing happened. You just get little sustenance, little oomph. But not that much. Raw chicken, good snacky snack, or eat with some fat or carb source. So energy wise, nothing special, very neutral, balanced. Don't make you amped up or anything. You just feel the feelings you're feeling. Other health things, raw chicken maybe gave me a couple pimples here and there, but not really. Very good food if you have acne or skin problems. Raw chicken really good for that. Now, let's speak about the mind. That's the most interesting to me. Something happened to my mind in the past 100+ days that I ate raw chicken and a lot of other animal foods. raw meat and such, my mind has changed. And I don't know if I like it, bro. Raw meat, raw chicken has made my mind and my eyes to see things extremely clear. My natural senses, you could say, are the most heightened they ever been. And I don't really like what I see out there. Raw chicken has made me extremely jaded. That's probably the perfect word. Just jaded to our little society we live in. I see the pain, I see the suffering people are having out there when I'm actually interacting with people in real life. I see that shit every single day. Even more so, you can see it from the online, what people are watching, what are the hip and the cool things to do, how meaningless all of that shit is. There's no spark, there's no light. And in general, maybe it's just the collective consciousness of today's world, which is incredibly dark right now. Maybe it's just that. But I feel like raw chicken, raw meat did something to my consciousness. And it has made me to see too much. I see too much pain, too much suffering, too much dysfunction, where people are just going along, or not even going along, they are coping along in their lives, trying to be this positive, happy thing in the world. But it is absolute cope they are putting on, absolute mask. It is very rare to see actually happy people these days. It has also made myself see into myself what I am missing in life and how much that affects me, my body, my heart, and my mind. Nature is extremely brutal. And there is no more copes or delusions for me left to enjoy. And I don't know, do I like the truth? Are there things I'm seeing? Or can I even handle it, basically? There has to be some kind of correlation with the raw chicken and raw meat. It has been gradual progress to this direction for the last 10 years, probably even more in my life. I have always feel disconnected to the unnatural things in our world, which are most of the things in the civilized society we call Western society. But I've been coping about it, not accepting it fully. And during these last 100 days, I have finally just come to all the realizations about those things. I have climbed the ladder of memes, the ladder of ideas. And it's impossible for me to turn back now. And I don't know if I like it or not. When your body needs, your body, your spirit, your mind, your heart, whatever, all of the shit needs certain things, and the life you're currently living, and the society you're living in, ain't giving it to you or other people. It is a very unhappy place to be. So there has been some positives, some negatives about the raw chicken. One thing is for sure, salmon Nutella, yeah, shit dummy. It would be funny to get salmonella from the 100 day. This is the first time I'm eating whole chicken. That would be funny. That'd be so ironic and comical. But that's about it, 100 days. Raw chicken. That's something. What about the muscles, the gains? Raw chicken make you strong. I'm gonna talk about that in another video. I feel like raw meat it's very hard to eat raw chicken and raw meat enough to gain muscle. You just don't have the appetite for it. That's one thing I noticed. Anyway, thank you for all the my 9 subscribers. Thank for watching. Thank for tuning. I will see you on the next one. Raw chicken 100 days. That's about it. See you on the next one. Bye guys.